Have you ever wondered what's actually in your beard care products? Have you ever wondered what's the difference between natural ingredients, natural beard care products versus synthetic? Well, let's just quickly talk about some of the differences. Natural products are typically products that are derived from nature. Natural products are typically made up of essential oils for their scent, carrier oils, butters, waxes that are all plant or animal based. So geez, like I'm just getting blown out here completely. This is the downside of recording in an office that currently doesn't have blinds properly up. Let's just look at that, hardly any foam. I mean, I'm drinking this oat milk flat white and it's just so good. Coffee is life. Coffee is life. So natural products are, like I said, made up of essential oils, butters, waxes, all plant-based or animal-based. And think about it, waxes such as beeswax are animal-based products. Lanolin, which is a serum from sheep glands that is in so many of your beard balms, beard conditioners, animal-based. And then you've got various butters, shea butter, mango butter, cocoa butter, and then oils such as sweet almond oil, grapeseed oil, argan oil, jojoba oil, just to name but a few. They are all plant-based ingredients. On the flip side, you've also got your synthetic type ingredients. Synthetic ingredients are slightly different in that they're not necessarily derived from natural plant-based, animal-based products. They're typically made in a lab. They could be preservatives, they could be emulsifiers. You get waxes, for example, that are called e-waxes. They're emulsifying waxes. They're actually not a natural based wax. Geez, the light is just messing with me massively here. And they're not necessarily bad. The ones you want to avoid are things like your sulfates, parabens, that sort of category. But often synthetic ingredients are perfectly fine. They could be in the product to give it a different color, to give it a different look. They might have different forms of glycerin, which are actually there to help nourish and emulsify products, and they're not necessarily a bad thing. So just be aware of them. If a product is natural or a product is synthetic, it's not necessarily one's better than the other. For me personally, I always try to use just natural products. I think if nature can give us good ingredients that can last, that are responsibly sourced, because not all natural products are. Think of palm oil, for example. Palm oil isn't necessarily always sustainably sourced unless it says so, and even then, well, it's not necessarily the best thing to purchase. Encourage manufacturers to carry on using because of the devastating effects it has. And it's not the only natural ingredient that is suspect or liable to be sourced in an unsustainable way. So just be aware of it. There's various forms of beard care products out there. Some might use a mixture of natural and synthetic products. Just try them out, have a look at what you like, what's best for you, and go from there, my friends. We'll go into a little bit more detail about the ingredients. I've had on my list of videos to make for you for ages, to go through what's in products, why they're good, why they might not be so good, and what could be good for you. Having obviously made and manufactured, sold beard care through my beard care company I used to run, I knew a fair amount. So I'm definitely going to break that down for you very soon. But yeah, we'll see you very soon on the channel, my friends. Make sure to subscribe and leave a comment and a like or something like that, and I'll speak to you very soon. Goodbye.